want to take a second here and go through the filters here for the dual system and what you have the option to choose. So standard with the filter would just be 2 of the KDF or KDC filters here. So this would be removing heavy metals, microorganisms, chlorine, lead, iron, volatile organic compounds, odor, color, and total halomethane. So that's this one right here. You could have 2 of these. So now you could have 1 of these and you could say, okay, we have this one, but now we have arsenic, or we have nitrates, or we have fluorides. So these are the ones you have to choose from. You have fluoride, which would go great. Or if you had arsenic, you'd take out the arsenic, or if you had fluoride and arsenic, you'd do 2, fluoride and arsenic. And then of course the unit itself, you are getting the hydrogen unit, it has a very robust filter in it as well. So this is additional filtration for it. And then we have nitrites and nitrates. So you can use a combo of any of them, but this is going to be odor and taste. So this is going to make your water taste really great. So you can do 1 of those, 2 of those, or you can do 2 of these, however you want the combo to be. If you're wondering, well, I don't know what's in my water, just reach out to us. There'll be a chat box right on the right hand side. All we need is your zip code and we can recommend the right filtration for you. So once you get this unit installed, you're going to absolutely love it. So go out there and enjoy this fresh, clean, safe drinking water.